Lambos, watches, private jets, yachts, poolside, we get it. You make money or you're selling. What I'm gonna show you today is what it actually looks like to be a real estate investor. I didn't plan today to look special on camera. I'm just bringing my filmers along to show you what I do every day. Before I start, the real estate market is crashing. And this is how
Wait, Mikey, before you start filming, just pass the SIE. I got 2 more tests to go, but I need to start raising money now.
All right, big dog, how much money you wanna raise?
25, 30 million this year at least.
What's your golf swing look like?
What do you mean?
Your golf swing is gonna decide how much money you raise this year.
What are you talking about?
I'm about to give you the biggest sales hack of your life.
All right, let's see it.
Let me go see the golf swing. Scott, can I borrow you? Can you show Zane your swing real quick? Okay, that is a $30 million swing.
I can do that.
Okay, I like the confidence.
Not bad, right?
That's probably good for 400K? Yeah.
What?
Hang on. I got an idea. I'm about to do you a solid.
300K a week?
A year. What's up, Mikey?
Yo, George, are you at the range right now?
I am at the range right now.
Is there any way I can stop by? I need you to do your magic on one of my guys.
Absolutely.
I will be the.
What's his name?
His name's Zane. He wants to raise 30 million bucks right now for the year, and his swing just isn't there. I need you to do some tweaking.
Oh, you got it, bro.
I'll be there in 10 minutes.
All right, see you soon.
All right, G. All right, boys.
Hi, guys.
I'm a big one. George, this is Zane.
Hi, Zane.
Zane,
How are
this
you?
is George.
Nice to
Zane.
meet you, Zane.
Nice to meet you.
Okay,
What up, man? Zane.
so boys, this is what I have.
Yeah? See it.
Zane wants to raise a lot of money this year,
Okay.
and I'm constantly telling him that if he can't golf, he's gonna have a hard time raising money.
Nobody wants to give people money that can't play golf.
That's what I'm saying. And he showed me his swing, and if anyone's gonna get him right, it's you guys.
All right. Okay, so why don't we pull out an 8 and just let's watch you hit a couple and see where you're at.
What's this one do?
Your club, your 8-iron? Who knows what it's going to do?
All right, Zane.
All right, so we're going to film it and check it. Whoa. Okay, so let's go again.
Not bad, right?
Ain't bad at all. So when they're out in the toes, a lot of bad things happen, like balance. You see how your right arm bends right away? Because there's no turn. So your setup is jacked. If we fix that setup, he'll be able to do some things right away in a quick little lesson here. Let's do this. Now, Johnny, just control his hips on one. Yeah, you got to turn that. Do that again. Well, there's a ball, so you're not really hurting that ball. So hit that tee.
Oh, hit it, my
Yeah.
bad.
Good, again. So you missed the whole tee. Let's do it again. Good, much better. Okay, so that was pretty good with his tilts, wasn't it? All right, so go ahead and set up to that ball now. Good job. Wow, that's pure.
Dang.
Okay, come here.
Come here, Zane.
So I always say as like kind of a guideline, there's so many different golf swings, but that left arm is parallel to your back line, where it was way outside here before. Okay. When you take it back to the top, now he's turned. He's a little cross, but I don't mind that. Gets back here. Now let's see him rotate. Way better. See, now he got through it too, and his finish is better.
He's been here for 3 minutes, and he's already 5 levels ahead of where we started. This is crazy. He's gonna be able to golf after this lesson. That means big money.
Way better on the plane.
Dang,
Good job,
holy
dude.
cow.
Okay.
Zane.
Okay, come here.
That's crazy, dude.
I'd
boys.
say, what was that, 5 minutes? 10 minutes? That was the sickest thing ever.
Bro.
This guy's got talent. I think he's gonna make sales now. You know what I'm saying? Make
Thanks,
that
man.
money.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
You know he's gonna make so much money, maybe he'll come back and get a real
Thank
lesson.
you,
know what I'm
boys.
saying?
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. That was sick.
It's a pretty nice swing you got.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah. You ever invest in real estate?
Trying to golf, man.
You want to invest?
All right, Scott. Big news. Actually, I'm not even gonna give you big news. My boy just came from a Genghis lesson. Where did we have him pre-lesson? Like 300 grand a year cap at most. What is he at now?
Oh, you just upgraded it at least
500. No, stop.
getting there.
I think he's on the track. I think
You're
he's
trending.
I think he's gonna have $1 million a month, and then he's gonna scale upward. Oh, look at that one.
Oh, that one looked better. Now we're talking.
All right, you work on your swing, and let's get this money up. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey, Mikey. Hey, we got to go out to Ventura property. You ready to go?
Right now?
Right now.
This is one of those we gotta go?
We got to go.
All right, we gotta go. We gotta go.
It's like my guy doesn't want to work. What's up with that? Look at Zane, Mike. No. You.
What's he doing?
You don't need that.
I gotta work on my game.
Come on. You already know how to raise money. Let's go. So about 2 months ago, I got a call that said our neighbor's property has sunk about 15 feet. And as you can see, it threw our entire shoring wall over onto our property. Here was the part that I was not expecting, is the media. And here was my takeaway. The media's incentive is to be first, but it felt like they did not care about what actually happened or the truth of it. So I had to kind of combat the media narrative, except our attorney said, you cannot say anything yet. We don't know what happened. We need to get third-party studies done before you open your mouth. So 2 months later, and I still can't really tell you what happened legally, but this is what we're navigating now. How do we solve this problem so that we can get back to building our apartment?
So we're finally at stage one.
Okay, which feels good, right?
I mean, there was a lot of stages prior to us getting here,
Right.
but stage one was removing these bins, removing the trucks that were in there. Luckily, there wasn't really any damage to them.
Good.
And so as you can see, they're removing the last of these containers. And so that's going to enable us to get in there and do some more like ground penetrating radar.
Right.
We want to make sure that the rest of the area is safe. And then once it's safe, we're going to go in with basically a grading exercise and grade at a 2-to-1 slope. The property owners here have been really awesome. And they're going to allow us to go into their property, regrade it, which is a benefit to them because they're eventually, as you know, going to build
Right.
a 92-unit building next to us. So once we do that, we're able to grade. We're going to get the rest of this rubble out of here, and then we're off to the races again. So once we get that data, we're going to submit our plan to the city. It's probably going to be like a 45-day process.
Yep.
And so possibly 45 days from today, we'll be back grading the site, clearing the rubble, and back to work totally.
Okay, so let me ask you. We know that with development, there's always curveballs.
Yeah.
Have you ever had a curveball like this?
In 21 years, never experienced this. Our director of construction, 45 years, never experienced this.
Yeah, so this is unique.
So just when you think you've seen it all, something like this happens.
Well, it looks like we're making good progress though, which feels good, right?
This is a good day. It's good to see things getting moved. Yeah, I'm just thankful that we're here.
Yeah, that's right.
Guys, adversity brings growth. The sunshine only comes after a storm. That's what this life comes down to. Every once in a while, you get hit in the face, you get back up, and you keep fighting.
You would like to book
Dropping bombs.
a seat for Michael's next event. Link will be in the bio. Go support my guy. This is a rocket ship type of growth we're experiencing. So anytime something happens that's big, you know, one of the things that you're worried about is investors. Like, what are investors going to think? And so you want to be really good at your communications and really letting them know what is at play. And something I told the team, and I just thought of this when we got the motivational speech from Michael, was this is going to be an opportunity for us to build a lot of trust, right? With real estate, always nothing goes according to plan, and you have a tendency to feel like you shouldn't share the bad things that happen with investors because if they knew that, they would be scared. That is not how business works. My outlook is we will end up building more trust with our investors by going through this than if this wouldn't have happened and we would have just built it and produced a targeted 20% return or whatever it is. I think there is a blessing in this. We are gearing up for our poker night tonight at Sticks. I do these once a month. You might be thinking, what does this have to do with real estate investing? Everything. This is how business is done. Business is all about relationships. So I invite 8 to 10 of my friends, people I work with, investors, to come hang out and play cards. Every month, I leave one seat open For Instagram, I'm gonna leave it open for any platform. Shoot me a DM. I will pick a winner to come with me next month. So you've seen it. This is what my life looks like. We're at a property. We are playing golf, teaching Zane how to sell, celebrated birthdays, playing poker. Tomorrow I'm running it back, and my day is gonna look nothing like it did today. So if you wanna see more of this, drop a comment, like and subscribe. I will see you guys next episode.